There is a game that your mind plays with you, and you don't even have the slightest idea about it. And you have to understand this because it is one of the causes of bad decisions and choices that has ruined many people's lives and can ruin yours too if you are not aware of it like everyone else. Many of us like to think that we make rational and logical decisions, so when we make a decision or a choice, we always try to find information or evidence that confirms our beliefs or proves our assumptions and decisions right. And we ignore all the information that contradicts our beliefs or decisions. It is called the confirmation bias. The confirmation bias convinces us that we have made informed and rational decisions as we have the evidence to prove our decisions right, while in fact the decision we made was purely irrational and emotional as we only collected three too good to be true evidences that confirms what we want to believe while ignoring dozens of evidence that contradicts our beliefs. No matter what you say to people, they only hear what they want to hear and interpret what experts say in the light of what they want to hear. So the point of the video is to help you make more rational and better decisions in your lives, and being aware of this confirmation bias can help you make more rational and logical decisions and can save you from making the decisions that you may regret in future. Since you are aware of this confirmation bias now, so the next time you have to make rational decisions, you have to find evidence that this confirms your most cherished beliefs and those of others too. Rather than finding information that proves your beliefs right, at first you have to find information or evidence that goes against or that contradicts your most cherished beliefs, and it is one of the first steps of being more rational and of making better life decisions.